My dear friends, welcome to the 7th sloka of 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyudhanam adharmasya tadatmanam sujamyaham. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of religion at that time, particular time and specific time, whenever you demons, you current people and knowledge people do injustice to innocent people, at that time I descend myself. The word like, yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata, all these words and a single word or a simple word or a specific particular one small phrase also among the sentence, it cannot be used in the sense of creation, because according to the previous verse there is no creation of the Lord's form or body, since all of the forms are eternally existent. Therefore this particular sloka means the Lord manifests himself as he is. Although the Lord appears on schedule, namely at the end of Dwapara Yuga of the 28th millennium of the 8th Manu in one day of Brahma. This calculation you must be knowing about it. The end of Dwapara Yuga of the 28th millennium of the 8th Manu in one day of Brahma, still he has no obligation to adhere to such rules, to fix or stick to such rules and regulations, because he is completely free to act in many ways at his will. ఎవడి పెళ్ళాం పిల్లల శవాలు వెళ్తాయో, ఎవడి బజారు బతుకులు బూడిదవుతాయో, 10 రూపాయలకు వాళ్ళ పెళ్ళాలు ఎంతమందితో పడుకుంటారో, ఒక 20 రూపాయలకి వచ్చి పెద్ద పోజులు కొడుతుంటారో వాళ్ళందరి శవాలు కూడా వెళ్తాయి అని శ్రీకృష్ణుడు భగవద్గీతలో చెప్పాడు. He therefore appears by his own will whenever there is a predominance of irreligiosity and a disappearance of true religion. Principles of religion are laid down in the Vedas, and any discrepancy in the matter of properly executing the rules of the Vedas makes one irreligious. In the Bhagavatam it is stated that such principles are the laws of the Lord. The Vedas are also accepted as originally spoken by the Lord himself to Brahma from within his heart. Therefore, the principles of dharma or religion are the direct orders of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, ivanni dharme rakshatu, what do you call? Dharma rakshatu rakshitaha. Dharmanni manam rakshiste. If we protect dharma, even dharma will protect us. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Yes. So it is stated in Hindi here. These principles are clearly indicated throughout the Bhagavad Gita. The purpose of the Vedas is to establish such principles under the order of the Supreme Lord, and the Lord directly orders at the end of the Gita that the highest principle of religion is to surrender unto him only and nothing more. I think you got it. You understood the point, isn't it? The Vedic principles push one towards complete surrender unto him, and whenever such principles are disturbed by the demonic, the Lord appears. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ధర్మాన్ని దయ్యాలు, భూతాలు, పిశాచాలు, సీతా, పుష్ప వంటి మారీచ సుబాహులు, గుజ్జమ్మ, భార్గవి లాంటి తాటకి, సురసాలు, పూతనాలు, వ్యభిచారం చేసే రత్న, బిందు లాంటి శనిగ్రహాలు, అంటే దరిద్రులు, నికృష్టులు, చండాలకుళ్ళు, శ్రావణీలు, అర్ముగములు, సూర్యాలు, వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ బూడిదైపోతారు. వాళ్ళు చేసే అధర్మానికి వాళ్ళే నాశనమై బూడిదైపోయి అంతమైపోతారు. ఎందుకంటే ధర్మాన్ని స్థాపించడానికి భగవద్గీతలో చెప్పినట్టుగా శ్రీకృష్ణుడు మళ్ళీ 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 ఎన్నిసార్లైనా, ఎన్ని కోట్ల సార్లైనా వస్తాడు. He said he will appear. The Lord appears. In which form we don't know. He may appear in my form. He may appear in your form. He may appear in any form. But he will appear. From the Bhagavatam we understand that Lord Buddha is the incarnation of Krishna, who appeared when materialism was rampant and materialists were using the pretext of the authority of the Vedas. Although there are certain restrictive rules and regulations regarding animal sacrifice for particular purpose of the Vedas, people of demonic tendencies still took to animal sacrifice without reference to the Vedic principles. Lord Buddha appeared to stop this nonsense and to establish the Vedic principles of non-violence. కోళ్ళు అమ్ముకునే టీడీపీ వాళ్ళు నాన్ వైలెన్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడకూడదు, అదేదన్నా మాట్లాడితే మనమే మాట్లాడాలి. Therefore, each and every avatara or incarnation of the Lord has a particular mission, and they are all described in the revealed scriptures. No one should be accepted as an avatara unless he is referred to by scriptures. It is not a fact that the Lord appears only on Indian soil. He can advent himself anywhere and everywhere, and whenever he desires to appear, wherever he desires to appear. In each and every incarnation, he speaks as much about religion as can be understood by the particular people under their particular circumstances. But the mission is the same, to lead people to God consciousness and obedience to the principles of religion. Sometimes he descends personally, and sometimes he descends in his own form or some other form which he likes. He sends his bona fide representative in the form of his son or servant or friend or himself only in some disguised form, in some avatara, in some form, in any avatara or in any form, in any sort of any irregular or regular form also. Currentless, knowledgeless form also. The principles of the Bhagavad Gita were spoken to Arjuna, and for the matter to other highly elevated persons. He was highly advanced compared to ordinary persons in other parts of the world. Not only in other parts of the world, everywhere. So, my dear friends, I think you are following. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That means 2 plus 2 equals 4. ఇది ఎలా చెప్పినా కూడా టోటల్ ఈజ్ సేమ్. అంటే total will not change. No compromise in total. No other adjustment or any alternative or substitute in total. So 2 plus 2 equals 4 is a mathematical principle that is true both in the beginner's arithmetic class and in the advanced class as well. నువ్వు ఎంత చదివినా ఏదో అంటారు చూడు, బిఏ చదివినా బియ్యం ఏరాలని. సో స్టిల్ దేర్ ఆర్ హయ్యర్ అండ్ లోవర్ मैथमेटिक्स ఆల్సో. पापा मीके बागा తెలుసు, यू ओनली नो इट बेटर. आप जैसे लोगों को बहुत अच्छा मालूम है ये सब मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस, फॉर्मूलाज. चाय वाले को भी मालूम है, एंड व्हाट यू कॉल चौकीदार को भी मालूम है. इसीलिए तो पुलवामा में 250 केजेस RDX रखा है और एक इलेक्शंस जीत गए हैं. सो इन ऑल इनकारनेशंस ऑफ द लॉर्ड देयरफॉर द सेम प्रिंसिपल्स आर टॉट, but they appear to be higher and lower in varied circumstances. The higher principles of religion begin with the acceptance of the 4 orders and the 4 status of social life, as they will be explained later. The whole purpose of the mission of incarnation is to arouse Krishna consciousness everywhere. Such Krishna consciousness is manifest and non-manifest only under different circumstances. We'll be back to you with another sloka and with another purport. Thank you.